Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to check WhatsApp backup on Google Drive. So first, open your WhatsApp and then tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. And then here, tap on the settings. Now, if you want to back up your chat messages, you just need to tap on this chat option. Then once you tap on this, scroll down and then tap on this chat backup. Then here at the bottom, you just need to select the Google account that you want to save your chat and then tap on this allow button here. And then once you've done, you just wait until you've done backupping all your files on the chat messages. Now, once you've backed up all your chat messages, you just need to go here on Google Drive. Or if you don't have this Google Drive, you can just download this on Google Play Store. Now here, you just need to make sure that you sign in with the same email account. And once you've done right here, you will find all your backup media files here on this Google Drive, and you can use it when you reinstall the WhatsApp. You can restore all the files from your WhatsApp messages. So that's how you basically check your WhatsApp backup on Google Drive. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.